so you can watch the video. Go ahead, open it.
Hi.
It's from the lady at the restaurant. Betty.
Ooh. Cake.
Yeah.
Ooh.
What is it? It's a fire truck.
No.
The fire truck. Can I see? Thank you. Go
Pick up another one.
Go pick another present.
Matthew, that doesn't need to be ripped.
Open a present.
Go open something else.
Wow. Is that from Daddy?
Yeah.
Look at the trucks. Wow. Yeah. Did Daddy get that for you? What did Daddy get you? Look, another fire truck. And a ball. Ball.
And it lights up.
Cool.
Books.
And books. Open another present. Open another present.
That's supposedly from Santa, but I don't believe it.
Who gave it to him?
Wick.
Was that from Santa?
And that lady. They marked it Santa.
You can't open it.
Try to figure out. Here, right here. Right there. There you go. What could it be? Maybe a puzzle?
PlayStation 3?
Flip it over once. Turn it over. Matthew. Turn it over. What's this? See? Puzzle.
Wow.
Animals. I knew it was a puzzle because I could feel, the texture of it. I have to play with that later. This one will be put up every time after you play with it, though. Okay, open
Cool.
something else now.
Open another present.
What's this? Who's that from? Is that from Grandma?
Yeah.
Here. It's double wrapped. Look, I double wrapped it. See, now there's another layer. You like it. Just rip it. You like ripping it. See? Now there's more you can take off. Yay! Rip, 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 rip. More!
I can't do this
is videotaped.
Ooh.
I did this on purpose, Casey. Because he likes doing that. It's more fun. Yeah, Mom will help you. Rip more. Makes it exciting, you know? What's the mystery? Huh? Look, Matthew, it's coming through. Matthew, look, see?
Matthew, look.
Matthew, what is it?
Look.
What is that? Is that coloring?
No.
Look, see?
Oh.
Look.
I don't think so.
Cool.
Say thank you, Grandma. Say thank you. Say thank you. Matthew, say thank you. Matthew, say thank you. Good job. Open another one. Here you go. What's this? Clothes. What's that from? Your mom? Say thank you.
Wow.
Say thank you.
Cool.
Want more? This is another one from Grandma. Yeah.
Play with us on the rocking school bus. W-R-C-U, as in umbrella.
One more. This is from Heather. This is from Heather. She picked it out for you. I'll help you with this one. This one's layered also. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Now you gotta open it, huh? Open that. Put that nasty tape on there. Look, Matthew. Matthew. Check it out. What is it? Oh. It's got a gift receipt in case you like to return it. Yeah.
Cool.
See.